At this time, I will give it to Charles Tonga. He's the head coach. He will be introducing the team to you all. And then after that, the team will actually do the Sipi dog.
First of all, I just want to give God all the glory for all that He has done throughout my life, and also these boys. I want to acknowledge our King, the rulers that were here tonight. I want to acknowledge all the consulate, all the VIP people that you guys are here tonight for us. I want to thank all you people, Tongan people. That's the only reason why we're here, because of you. And these boys and management, we have sacrificed a lot to be here. We didn't come for the money. Even though these donations from our people, we appreciate it. But you know, money is only temporary. But pride and honor is something that we dwell on as Tongan people. And that's how much it means to me. And I know that's how much it means to the players and my coaching staff. You may see them, they might be Pālangi, but they all have donated their own time and their own job to be here. And something that I'm very proud of. And I do not take lightly. And I'm so honored to be a part of these guys. The last couple of days we were in Tonga. And you know, these boys, you know, we drag them around everywhere. Part of this vision, I wanted to take them to Tonga so they could be able to see what Tonga is really about. Some of these young players here has never been to Tonga. And for them to have a cold shower every night, it wasn't pleasant. My management were complaining, the Pālangi was complaining. I said, welcome to Tonga. You know, and truly people, we are all very humbled. The reception that happened in Tonga, and even here in New Zealand, you know, to see people in Tonga rocking up by me at 4 o'clock a.m. in the morning. It was about, it could have been 100 people, 10,000 people there. But, you know, I wanted these kids to really see that, the heart of us, who we are as people. And I believe that, and I pray that will encourage them. That, you know, when the going gets tough on the field, and I say, remember, and but when they get on the field, it's all up to them. But I also want to acknowledge our Semisika, our president. This guy has gone out his way for us. And, you know, Semisika, on behalf of the boys, I want to thank you for all that you've done for the boys. Also, I want to acknowledge our president here in New Zealand, Kisoni Kivalu, and the committee for all putting all this together for us. We have nothing left. You know, for us, the World Cup doesn't start in 2 weeks. Our hearts are rolling. We're ready to go. And, you know, the boys will show that. I want you guys to salute these guys. You guys stand up. This is Tamaiki Tonga for 2013. Stand up.